Instea-G. So we found this place online as we were looking for places to go or check out, and we realized it's open 24/7. So they're open until very, very, very late. And the facility is clean and looks really good. It's by the street, so it's easy to go and check out all, and enjoy all the food. Here's our shots. Yes, the first time we went there, I checked it out. Yup. And of course, here's our video. We went there last week. It was so good, but yes, obviously, because the food was actually getting us excited, I forgot to take more shots or more videos on it. Here's my brother waiting for our order. Yep. Yes, I decided to sit outside. It's good. Yes, our drinks are there. Cafe Americano, iced Americano, and of course my brother, the ube latte. And here it is. We're parked in front. It's kind of peaceful, at Pio Oliveros at this time. This is around 12 or 11:30. Yes. Oh, this is so good. Yep. See there, it's a good spot, and it's actually a good area to dine in, relax, and have fun. Yes. And here, as you can see, we killed it. We're all done, but the lady there is still making some more. Apparently, they do online orders because they're open 24/7. So, if you guys craving for this late, you can order from them online on their page. Yes, my brother is tipping them. Yes, because the service is really excellent. So we always give a tip when the service is excellent. Yep, this is last week. So we went there this week, this time here. Now here's the drive along ways. But here's the page. Link will be in the description below. We'll talk about that later. Here's the drive along ways. Here's SMCT Masinag, the edge of Marcos Highway. We turn right at the Sumulong intersection. Keep going straight. Yes, we're coming from Valley Golf, so obviously the way starts there. Here, Our Lady of Fatima University, Antipolo is going to be on your left. Keep going straight past Cloud 9. Yes, straight ahead. Keep going. Yep. And here, the Assumption Road goes to Assumption on Antipolo. If you turn left, but keep going straight, go past Bankers Village. And here, you'll see Robinson's Place Antipolo on your left. Over there. Here, there's Robinson's Place Antipolo. We don't turn, we go straight across the intersection. Here. Go straight ahead. We won't turn left going to Bean Spot or Seisha Coffee. We go straight. We turn left to the other one. Here straight. Here straight ahead. Yup. And at the dead end by P. Oliveros, we make a left turn. Now here we are.
I'm gonna park on the opposite side.
Yeah, by the way. We just U-turn. Yes. Instea-G is on your right. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, so my brother decided to park across. This way our view won't be obstructed. And here's what I got. The fries and shot. It was really good. My brother got this cheesy fun shots with rice. And of course I had to have takoyaki again. This time it's shrimp. This is really good. And yes, once again, I forgot to video it. Because look, it's finished. And I'm doing live again. So you can check the live video of how much we ordered and have fun. And we usually do live videos when we eat out, so you gotta check it out. Yep, and my brother getting his box of wipes over there. See that? It's kind of peaceful at this time. This is about 12:30 now, or 12:45. Yep. It's peaceful, quiet, and it's relaxing. So if you can't sleep or you're craving, you can jump to your car and just go here. It's gonna be so good. And proof that it was so good. Here it is, fries and shots. My second order, and my brother had to get one because I told him it was so good. He has to try it. Yes, so we have 2 orders each. We finished our first order, but since it was so good, we had to get another one. If you're going here for the first time, I suggest you get fries and shots. It's the best. Here's their page. And the good thing with, checking out their page is here. You can see the reels on takoyaki. They have a full menu, so you can check it out before you head there. This way, you know what to get, or you have an idea of what to get. Let's scroll down some more. Oh, look at that. Yes, Cafe Americano. The crew is friendly and good. Here, you see, they have the complete menu there. The choices were a lot, so, check it out before you head there so you have an idea. Let me show you the photos of the food. There's not much photos of the food in the page, but This three looks excellent because the fries and shots was the best. This did not disappoint. I love this takoyaki, and this my brother loved it, but this was the best seller for us. Me and my brother, we had it and we both loved it. So yep, Instea-G is a really good place if if you have a hard time sleeping or if you're up late working, you can order online with through them. They do orders and they're open 24/7, so it's really good. But if you have time to visit, you gotta get there because the crew is so friendly, they're excellent, and the service is really, really good. Yep. So thanks for watching and subscribe. This week you can check out all the other adventures here and also the cooking stuff, okay?